Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you are new here, I do makeup tutorials, and this month we are going through the Nyx Advent Calendar every single day and making a new look and tutorial using the product of the day. So if that's something you're interested in, then make sure you subscribe and like the video, because it's going to be 24 tutorials, very different to each other, all throughout the month. So today is day 7, and today's product of the day is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Vienna. So this is the look I created. It's very grungy, nice and smoky and quite cool toned, which I never usually do, so it's quite different. So yeah, this is the look. I really hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see how to recreate this look, then carry on watching. I'm just going to use some concealer to prime my lid today. And I'm just going to take it on a brush and just pat it all over. So we're starting with an old favourite of mine. This is the Death by Chocolate palette by Revolution. So this is the colour selection. I think it's really pretty, nice cool tones. I used to be obsessed with this palette, like it was my favourite palette for a while. But I've probably not used it in like 8 months, if not more. I was going to start with that one, but I think I'm going to start with this one. It's kind of like a dark, cool toned matte brown. I'm just going to take it on this domed kind of fluffy brush, and I'm just going to pack this through my crease. So once I've got the shape down, I'm going to go in with the slightly lighter colour in the palette, which is this one, which is again a nice cool tone colour. I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go on the edges, so it's like 50% on and 50% off. And I'm just going to wiggle my brush to deposit the colour, to start to blend out those edges. I'm then going to go in with this black shade, and I'm just going to pack this onto the outer corner with little like dragging down motions so that it isn't too pigmented up here and blends into the browns. These aren't like the best eyeshadows ever, because they are quite an old formulation, but I don't really have that many other cool tone shades, so I'm working with what I've got. I'm then going to go in with this product, which is absolutely insane. I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera how pretty it is, but it's like this liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond, and I'm just going to use this to cut a semi-cut crease. So now that that is on, as you can see, I've not done it like too precise, it's just kind of like a rough idea. I'm actually using it as a base for this pigment, which is blue brown. I'm just going to pack this on top of that base. So the base kind of gives it more of like an iridescent shift, but it also just gives it like a beautiful like foily effect to stick onto. I'm then going in with an angled brush, and I'm just going to go into this deep brown shade here, and I'm just going to go along the edges of that cut crease just to define it a bit more. I'm then going to go into a different black, just because this black isn't very pigmented. I'm going to go in with my Morphe black, just this one, and a winged liner brush, and I'm just going to use this along my lash line, almost as like a gel liner effect. So I really hope you're liking this series, because I'm loving it. I'm loving creating looks every day that are completely different to each other, and like it's kind of giving me inspiration to go through my collection and try out new products, just so I'm not boring you with the same ones. And it's like allowing me to go back in and see what I love and just, you know, be creative, which I'm loving. So I hope you're liking it too. Let me know what your favourite look is so far down below, because I think I'm swayed between this one and the purple double cut crease that I did. I'm just going to use this same black to deepen up my outer corner again and just kind of blend the edges of the shimmer shade. The other thing I'm not enjoying is washing my brushes every day, but you know, it's worth it. I love this look so far. I think it's really cool. As you can see, I've put on some kind of more natural lashes because I didn't want to take away from the eyes, but I felt like they needed something. So these are just some like really natural ones. So I'm starting by putting a black gel pencil into my waterline. And this is the Avon Super Shock gel liner. Close up, by the way. I love them. I think the base mixed with the pigment looks incredible. Maybe I should do cool tones more often because I actually really like this. So as you can see, my eyes are watering, so the liner is already kind of like moving down. But I'm going to take the brush that we used to begin with, and I'm just going to take this shade here, and I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line. And then just going back in the Morphe black and the winged eyeliner brush, I'm just going to press this really close to the lash line, just underneath it like this. So this is the eye so far. Please excuse the fact that this one is watering. It always does this. But I'm thinking of adding some silver glitter under here. This could go wrong, but I kind of want to. So this is the holographic glitter. As you can see, it's like silver with a load of different reflex to it, and then this is going to be used as the base, which is what we used on the lid. You really can't see how pretty it is. I'm just going to use a little pencil brush to kind of blend that in. Okay, so this is the inner corner. It's kind of similar to an artist that I follow called ANNIECHERRYMAKEUP. Like, she does this kind of really grungy, glittery inner corner look. I think it looks quite cute. I'm going to add some mascara and then we'll zoom out. Finally, we're doing the lips. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Vienna. So this is the finished look. I really like it. I am very shocked. I think this is probably one of my favourites because it's so different. But yeah, I love this look. Let me know what you think of it down below. I also just added some cute little faux freckles using the brow pencil I used, because this is a pen and a pencil in one. This is the Ultra Brow Arch in Shape. I just think it kind of fits with the look. I think it made it look a lot better. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you think this is something that you would enjoy, make sure you subscribe because I've got lots of other videos. If you have missed the last 6, then obviously I'll have them all linked down below as always, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!